I'm so sorry guys for the weird angle, and welcome back to my channel. Today I got this squishy package. I'll show you it. Here it is. Let me just cover my age ring because it's open because I was so excited, but here it is. Can't even fit on the freaking camera there. It's actually kind of big. So let's get started. So bye. I'm freaking shook. They gave me a strawberry eye bloom. It smells so good. So that's good. Next thing, my love, my banana bread. I've actually got one of these before, but I got another one. And the sticky bit come on, but that's fine. I can just stick it with sellotape. Oh my god, I'm dying. So I actually got the yellow one of this, and yeah, but I really wanted the brown one. It smells like coffee. I can see what's in here. I'm just freaking out with the last item in there. It's this chocolate Eric cake. Just looking for defects, no defects. Okay. Smells like chocolate. Are we surprised? No. Look how cute this last squishy is. I don't know why they're not in packaging, but woo, so cute. So yeah. So that's it. But before we go, I need to tell you guys something. Before you guys ask and all that, yes, I do have Instagram. Yes, I do have Musical.ly. Yes, I do have Snapchat. I'll leave them in the link below if I'm not lazy. But if I am, I'll do it in my next video. Make sure I post every Tuesdays and Fridays, so, or Wednesdays and Thursdays. So give this video a thumbs up and click the subscribe button if you like this video to see more weird stuff. So, I love you. Bye.